Hi friends, welcome to Expert IT Tutorials. Today we are going to discuss about CSS and XPath checker. So what is CSS and XPath checker? So it's a Chrome plugin tool, it's a helper tool to confirm the XPath and CSS selectors in Chrome browser. It also highlights the elements which matches the XPath and CSS. Now let us see in live how this works. Open a Chrome browser, search for Chrome Web Store. Open the Chrome Web Store and search for CSS and XPath checker. So you can see the CSS and XPath checker here. Click on that. Okay. This is a helper tool to confirm the CSS and XPath selector. Here click on Add to Chrome. Click on Add Extension. You can see CSS and XPath checker has been added to the Chrome browser. Now let us open some website, say facebook.com. Okay. Now you can open this CSS and XPath checker plugin. See, here is a small tab for us to select either CSS or XPath. So let me go and say click on XPath and you can start writing your code here. Input. See, if I say input, how many are automatically identifying? I say at the rate name is equal to email. You can see here one matching node is appearing and you can this is the XPath. So now you can also view the HTML code behind this using the Chrome developer options, the inbuilt developer options. So you can click on F12, so your Chrome developer options will open. So you can directly navigate to this element. Okay, you can see the HTML code behind this. Then click on this plugin and you can start writing your CSS or XPath. Now let me write CSS for this. So I'll just go with ID, email. You can see it's been highlighted here. So in this way, you can use CSS and XPath selectors and also with the Chrome developer tools to see the HTML code behind this. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.